So we are here at the San Jose Lagoon, and we kind of doing a little cleanup today slash hike, you know. But we continuously appeal to the public to please do not litter our wetlands. Look at that.
Fishing line.
You know, fishing line and all that. Let me see that fishing line. Let me stop. Now this could be a very harmful thing for birds, because I've seen birds entangle in stuff like this and they die. And we really want to put a ban on the fishing here. Right? So we have some of the folks down in the distance there trying to do a little cleanup as well. Alright, and again, we want to remind people to please protect our wetlands. That is our mantra today. Please protect our wetlands. It's a sensitive plant and animal habitat. So these kids are just having fun here. Look at them. So these kids, oh my gosh, look at exactly what is happening here, people. These are some tapons that are in the brink of dying here. Oops, I'm sinking. You see them here, people? There's just a couple of them inside of there, and they are almost at the brink of dying there. We're expecting some showers this afternoon, and we are hoping that could be a game changer for them. I don't know, but there are a number of them there, and I'm sure the oxygen level is depleting, and I'm sinking. Okay, that yeah, plenty of them there. So look at what we collected here. It's all plastic and bottles, and you know, this even look like maybe a shell from a shotgun, like somebody coming and poaching the birds and them on the wetlands. So that's something I really want to prevent happening, you know. So we are appealing to the state, you know. We need to stop this kind of thing from happening, because these calatibus, and they come and they roost on these very trees right here at the wetlands. So people, look at this here. Do you think this is a good thing to be thrown into the wetland? Now, do you know that these plastics is really harmful to the wetland? You know that?
Yeah.
So when these plastic decay, they form microplastic, and then I guess the birds will eat it, and then it unleash chemical substance into the wetland. Alright, so we are here this evening just trying to do a nice little cleanup and look at what we have to deal with. So we are appealing to the folks, please don't throw in plastic in our wetlands. Alright, so the kids are over there. We collected about 4 bags of rubbish already. Alright, and right, I'm here. Right. What have we there? Yeah, we have a bird. This bird, yeah, exactly. So we really want to discourage persons from coming and fish, you know. If you look at this bird carefully, it's a cattle egret, and I can't zoom all the way in, but let me try. And the feet has some kind of string or something, nylon or something in it, and I'm guessing it's from somebody fishing at the wetland. And then this is the outcome. This is the outcome, folks. So we're really trying hard to put a total ban on fishing on the wetlands and so on, in an effort to protect these sensitive species. Good. So we would have sent up a drone earlier that day, and I'm going to show you guys some aerial footage of the San Jose Lagoon as it is presently bone dry. Now this phenomena happens like once every 5 years, and it truly is something that is, I would consider amazing. So stay tuned. Enjoy. So we are on a little hike on the swamp now. Hi Caleb, tell me how it's going.
Good.
Tyrese,
Yeah.
what's going on?
Yeah.
You enjoying it?
Yeah.
Right. You enjoying it?
Yeah.
Good, good, good. And the group is coming in here. So we did a little clean up on the swamp there. You guys enjoying it?
Yes.
Yeah, man, nice. Mr. Stone bringing up the tail and Charlie there. So the wetland is all dried up. If you look carefully, you will see all the cracks and things that are sign of, I would say, I don't know if it's global warming or just the harsh dry season. But we expect some heavy rains in the second half of the year, which will be from June to December. But look at the formation here. It's really, really, really dry. Bone dry. Have a small puddle of water here. How's it going, Mr. Stone?
Very good. Very good.
Enjoying it?
I mean, you know, it's an opportunity to be proud of. I mean, there are so many people who would like the opportunity to do what we are doing. I want to thank, you know, this volunteer crew. You know, I've represented New Iron. I know I have been working for New Iron for the last 17 years.
What's your camera?
And New Iron, they always do some, you know, clean up at least once a year.
Yeah.
And they are very, very concerned about the environment, not off and on work.
Yeah.
So, you know,
But this effort that we do here is it's an ongoing effort. So it's not like we only come here in the dry season. We come here every time we get the opportunity, and sometimes we even come in with kayaks and pick up plastic on the wetland, bottles and so on.
Well, it's a goal and opportunity.
Yeah.
To have that opportunity.
But I mean, it's a privilege to be able to walk on the wetland today. You know, thanks to the, I would say, the harsh dry season. But the birds and everything would have migrated to other parts where there's still water, I guess, in some parts. So we have some drone footage to show you guys, right? So you get to see. But it's a beautiful evening, man. Look at it. Beautiful, beautiful evening, man. Here in Southwest Trinidad. Grass here. It's all rugged terrain. Some kind of grass here. You have some smooth bed on here. How you going, man? Some kind of genie grass kind of thing, yeah? Maybe some kind of seed for the birds. Some kind of seeds. How you enjoying it, partners? What's your name again?
Ross.
Ross.
Yeah,
How's
yeah.
it?
Good, real good.
Nice, man. Nice outdoors. Mr. Stone, how are you going? What happened? The footwear not appropriate?
No. I had I did some mixing some concrete today.
Oh, okay.
I ain't did that for about 50 years.
Alright, so.
That's young Irish so 68-year-old here. So.
Right. Put in back. Put in at the back. So we ain't throwing no bottles on the wetland, right? We're putting them back in our bag, yeah? Good. Keep going. The only thing I have fear here is maybe me. No anacondas. They move out. Look at some tapons there. You have a big one there, boy. Ooh, look at them. Look right there. Look. Some huge ones, boy.
That's walking, that's all them.
So they kind of constricted to this area here because of the water source. My God,
That's
look at that.
walking, that's all them.
So everybody just curiously looking at these tapons. We hoping that the rain fall and they could make it. Alright, guess what we found here? This is the skeletal remains of a cow, it look like, right? Or is it a horse? Cow? And the leather, and all the parts here, and the jawbone and everything. And the jawbone here, people. If I'm missing any dentures, let me know. Can I arrange for you to get to you? So all is part of the adventure here, you know? So we kind of came to the end of our hike. And look at this sunset here, boy. Oh my gosh, isn't this beautiful, people? Oh my gosh. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 of us. 13 of us there. Kind of getting a little bit dark now. So I just want to show you guys. This is a southern lapwing there, trying to chase us around the swamp here. Look at the evening, man. Look at the evening sky. Look at the evening sky. So it was indeed a beautiful hike. We hike about I would say about just over maybe about 3 miles into the wetland. We walked along the floor of the wetland, the bed of the wetland, sorry, and I guess everybody enjoyed it. How it was, now, man? Talk to me there, Cliff. How was it, guys?
It was very good, very productive. Yeah, lots of fun.
Right, so we didn't just hike it, people. We collected some garbage. We have 3 bags here, as you can see, and we continue to appeal to the folks, man. If all have come into this area, and then it's a beautiful area, but when we throw garbage on the roadside, it's mars the beauty, man. It mars the beauty, definitely mars the beauty. All right, so how was it?
Nice.
All enjoyed it?
Yeah.
Nice one. Kids.
Good.
Well, you have going on. I didn't finish it. What you going on there, people? Watch. Yes, sir. I will.
Convince them.
Come going on there. We're going to finish it off with some pullory. Good to see mommy. Is it now, man?
It was real good.
You had fun?
Yeah.
Nice, man. So Tyrese love to be with Southwest Adventure, correct?
Yeah.
Miss, how was it?
It was very good, very nice. I enjoyed it.
How was it, Anna? Say, man. Let's play it.
Stressful.
It was very good.
You had
I
fun?
got tired. Yeah.
You
I
tired?
had fun.
Alright, so we didn't just this is some other garbage that we collected earlier, and again I will continue to appeal to people. Let's treat our wetland with a little bit of dignity now, man. This is our little gem. Look, three rubbish, like six garbage bags of rubbish we collected here. I mean, we shouldn't have to be. I mean, this is just voluntarily, but you know, we just want to see our environment just like how we've seen it now, clean and serene. All right, because these bottles will float out there, plastics, and of course, they will end up in the wetlands and pollute the wetlands. So from Southwest Adventures, we're saying have a good evening, and thanks again for the support.